This is the endgame for most of you, even though Dusk is coming soon. This is Moondrop Blessing 3. Dusk is on the verge of release, however, it is still one of the best recommendations right now. While it is not all roses, it is a solid contender to be an endgame for most of the people without hitting those diminishing returns. So let's start with unboxing. Blessing 3 has a very good unboxing experience. The box opens up like a jewel box and it comes with some standard stuff like these beautiful IEMs, the cable, a sturdy case and a good set of ear tips and an aeroplane adapter. These are well constructed IEMs. While it is comfortable for most of the people, the size might be concerning for those with smaller ears. However, they are smaller than Zero Red, the true chonky boy. Additionally, the included cable is of very good quality. However, considering the price point, a modular cable would have been a welcome addition for that increased flexibility and that balanced output, which is not very uncommon for this price range. So these are hybrid IEMs with 2 dynamic drivers and 4 balanced armatures. So the 2 dynamic drivers are horizontally opposed to each other, which Moondrop calls them HODIS, horizontally opposed dual dynamic driver unit system. So as per Moondrop, this technology delivers fast bass just like planars do, and it actually does. We will see that in bass section of the sound in detail. So these are fairly easy to drive. I had no problem getting them loud even via mobile or iPad jack. However, with power, it elevates a lot. I would suggest drive them with a DAC. It makes a lot of difference, especially with those poor recordings. Now talking about sound profile is generally neutral with slight bass boost for those richer lower ends. It has overall bright tonal balance that leans towards higher frequencies, creating a crisp and energetic feeling. They have precise attack, detailed decay, and overall detailed clarity and resolution is outstanding. So let's talk about it in detail in the sound section. So let's start with bass. So the Blessing 3 delivers clear, detailed, and impactful bass. It is fast, it is tight, it is controlled. It's a very well done bass overall. It helps in providing that powerful and well defined character to the music. You will not find anything missing in the bass if you are not a bass head. It's a very beautiful, well textured bass. For example, if you listen to Bad Habits Medusa remix, around 1 minute 9 seconds, the bass is full of texture. It has deep hits, it hits your soul. It is a very clean and textured bass. It is one of the best textured bass that I have listened. And if you think the bass is lacking a little, give it a slight EQ boost around 60 to 300 and it has the potential to become a beast. Now talking about mids are balanced and neutral. The vocal tone and timbre is very good in these sets. For example, if you listen to Tom's Diner, the vocals and chorus are forward and slowly and gradually they take the step back and the actual vocals and instrument comes in forward, and these sets represent them very beautifully. Both male and female voices sounds great in these IAMs. When people sing, it's just right. It's not too loud, it's not too soft. Upper mid energy can be a little bright for some, however, this will be the case only if you're treble sensitive. Additionally, lower mid range can be a little thin for some due to those fantastic upper mid energy. However, because of that, instruments shine in these particular IEMs, especially those string instruments. For example, if you listen to Wish You Were Here live at Pompeii, it's a treat to your ears. Every pluck is just on your face with the utmost clarity. The instruments have a special place with vocals here. I think that is because of that 2 to 3K scoop that is present in the mids. Overall, fantastic mid ranges. However, my favorite part in Blessing 3 is not the mid, it is the treble. Treble is smooth and neutral. It maintains a perfect energy that is never too harsh. Treble has that airiness to it and it is well extended. Especially that peak around 10K helps in sustaining the clarity in upper mid and treble ranges. For example, the cymbal splash is audible till the end of the note. So if you listen to Cascade by Pliny, all the cymbal hits, snare hits are very pronounced while maintaining all the details in low and mids. Blessing 3 has excellent detail retrieval. Blessing 3s are open, accurate imaging and that wonderful separation and layering. It can handle all those busy recordings with ease. So these IEMs have fantastic detail and resolution. For example, if you listen to Dirty South by Gurbax, The detail retrieval in the song is outstanding, especially surprised with the low frequency details, they are prominent. While treble ranges are energetic as is, at 52 seconds, all the frequencies are distinguishable from one another. It had been fantastic experience in terms of detail and resolution. And when I talk about soundstage, so if you listen to Maiden Voyage by Lenny, the cymbal hits come from northwest far away from you, and at the same time the vocals are just around your head. Blessing 3 has a very expensive soundstage, and this makes it a very good gaming IEM because of its exceptional tonality and technical capabilities. Now if I talk about rhythm, pace and dynamics of these IEMs, again outstanding. Fast bass, melodious mid, airy treble, this is a perfect combo for rhythm and timing, and these sets have this. It has fantastic dynamic ranges as well. You can listen to this set at low volume and it will not lose any detail, and at the same time it can cater all those slow and fast paced music with utmost clarity and resolution. Overall, Blessing 3 boasts an outstanding technical capabilities that punches above its price for sure. So I would give Blessing 3 a solid 5 star. It's an absolute banger for your bucks, and it's a blind buy from my side. It had been an absolutely amazing IEM. Additionally, Dusk is on the way, so do let me know in comments if you want me to make a head-to-head comparison of Blessing 3 and Dusk. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.